Students, today we will discuss about the change the order of the integration. Now it is double integration fxy dx dy. Let us suppose both limits are given a to b and c to d. Both limits are constant, then you are free, you can integrate first with respect to x or y as you like. But if it is limit, suppose it is a to b and that is given 0 to x. Now it is in terms of x, so you have to integrate first with respect to y, because limit is in terms of x, so it is here is boundation, that first you have to integrate with respect to y. Now according to question, now change the order of integration in the double integral 0 to a 0 to x fxy dx dy. Now 0 to a 0 to x fxy dx dy, here limits are x equal to 0, x equal to 0 to x equal to a, and y equal to 0 to y equal to x. So first we will draw figure for it. So it is x, x dash, y dash, o is origin. Now x equal to 0, x equal to 0 is on your x axis, and x equal to 8 is straight line mn, that is x equal to a. Now for y equal to 0 on x axis and y equal to x, it will be your this line y equal to x. Now you have to find the area of OMN. Now we have to change limits, because in question it is 0 to x, it means it is limit in terms of x. So first you have to integrate with respect to y, we have to change it. Now divide the area of OMN with the help of strips. So dividing the area OMN into strips, that will be parallel to x axis. So this strip is parallel to x axis. Now straight line, this strips will be from line ON, that will be your starting line, and MN, that will be your terminating line up to here x equal to a. Terminating line MN means x equal to a. So it is, now your limit will be changed according to this strip, from here x equal to y, and this line is x equal to a. So n is y equal to x, x equal to a, you will put x equal to a, so y equal to a. So coordinate of this point will be a. Now limit will be changed from here on ON according to this strip, x equal to y to x equal to a. So this time your limit will be x equal to y to x equal to a, and for y axis, on x axis y will be 0, so limit of y equal to 0 to y equal to a. Now your order of integration will be changed according to question, 0 to a 0 to x fxy dx dy. Now after this strip your order will be changed, limit 0 to a and y to a, x equal to y to a, it will be in terms of y, so it is limit for x and it is constant for y, fxy dx dy. Now you have to change first with respect to x, after that with respect to y. So question complete, your limit has been changed. Now come to the next question. Change the order of integration in the integral 0 to a or 0 to under root a square minus x square fxy dx dy. Here x equal to 0 to x equal to a, limit for x is 0 to a, and for y 0 to under root a square minus x square. Limit is in terms of x, that's why first you have to integrate with respect to y, after that x. Now we have to change it. So y equal to 0 and y equal to under root a square minus x square, on squaring both sides, y square equal to a square minus x square, or you can say x square plus y square equal to a square. It is the equation of circle when center at origin and radius is a. So first we will draw figure for it. It is your x dash, y dash, x square plus y square, center at origin, O is center of the circle and a is radius of this circle. So coordinate of a will be a0 and coordinate of b also will be 0, a. Now according to question you have to find area OAB in first quadrant. Now again with the same process you will take a strip dividing the area OAB. You will draw a strip parallel to x axis. It will be parallel to x axis, so again your limit will be changed on this line x equal to 0 from here, because this point lie on the arc AB of the circle x square plus y square equal to a square. So on the basis of this your x, limit of x, because it is given equation of circle x square plus y square equal to a square, that's why your x square equal to a square minus y square, and x will be under root a square minus y square. It will be x equal to under root a square minus y square. So limit for x equal to 0 to under root a square minus y square, and limit for y equal to 0 to a. So again, your according to question, your limit is given 0 to a, 0 to under root a square minus x square fxy dx dy. So it will be changed 0 to a and 0 to under root x equal to 0 to under root a square minus y square fxy dx dy. So according to question, your limit was in terms of x, so first you have to integrate with respect to y, but now limits change, it is in terms of y, so first you have to integrate with respect to x. So it is your question completed. Thank you.